Okay, let's look at symmetry and skewness and how we describe data. We describe data as symmetrical if it's evenly spaced around a central point. So let's look at this stem and leaf plot here. You can see that the data looks like it's spread evenly from this central point. It's spread evenly. We call that symmetrical. And let's look at the central point here, the median. It looks like there's an even amount of data to both sides of that median. So that is called symmetrical. If we have data like this, however, let's look here. Here's kind of the peak, and all the data is down that way. It's not like this. And on our box plot, here is the median. There is more data this side, to the left-hand side, than the right-hand side. We call that negatively skewed. It's got larger amounts of data at the higher end. Okay, let's look at a positively skewed example. Here's our peak. All the data is down this way. Here's our box and whisker. There is way more in the box that way to that way. Positively skewed has larger amounts of data at the lower end. Okay, so if we look at, here's the stem and leaf plot that we've been dealing with quite a bit in our worked examples, and there was a 5-figure summary done, and then it was drawn into a box and whisker or box plot. How can we describe what is the description of the distribution of this data? Okay, here's our peak. Way more data down this way than this way. Here is our box and whisker. More here than down there. So let's look above. What does this look like? It looks like the positively skewed here. Let's look there and here. That looks the same in the stem and leaf. And let's look in the box plot. We've got way more here than there. Bigger section of our box, same here. So we call this positively skewed. This particular data here is called positively skewed.